Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a topic toxic positivity. Toxic positivity is the belief that no matter how dire or difficult a situation is, people should maintain a positive mindset. It is a good vibes only approach to life. While there are benefits to being an optimist and engaging in positive thinking, toxic positivity instead rejects difficult emotions in favor of a cheerful, often falsely positive facade. We all know that having a positive outlook on life is good for your mental well being. The problem is that life is not always positive. We all deal with painful emotions and experiences. Those emotions, while often unpleasant, are important and need to be felt and dealt with openly and honestly. Toxic positivity takes positive thinking to an over generalized extreme. This attitude does not just stress the importance of optimism, it minimizes and denies any trace of human emotions that are not strictly happy or positive. Forms of toxic positivity. Toxic positivity can take a wide variety of forms. Some example you may have encountered in your own life. When something bad happens, such as losing your job, people tells you to just stay positive or look on the bright side. While such comments are often meant to be sympathetic, they can also be way of shutting down anything you might want to say about what you are experiencing. After experiencing some type of loss, people tells you that everything happens for a reason. While people often make such statements because they believe they are comforting, it is also a way of avoiding someone else's pain. When you express disappointment or sadness, someone tells you that happiness is a choice. This suggests that if you are feeling negative emotions, then it is your own fault for not choosing to be happy. Toxic statements just say positive, good vibes only. It could be worst. This happens for a reason. Failure is not an option, happiness is a choice. Non toxic alternatives. I am listening. I am here no matter what. That must be really hard. Sometimes bad things happens. How can I help? Failure is something part of life. Your feelings are valid. Why it is harmful? Toxic positivity can actually harm people who are going through difficult times rather than being able to share genuine human emotions and gain unconditional support. People find their feelings dismissed, ignored, or outright invalidated. It's shaming. When someone is suffering, they need to know that their emotions are valid, but that they can find relief and love in their friends and family. Toxic positivity tells people that the emotions they are feeling are unacceptable. It causes guilt. It sends a message that if you are not finding a way to feel positive, even in the face of tragedy, that you are doing something wrong. It avoids authentic human emotions. Toxic positivity functions as an avoidance mechanism. When other people engage in this type of behavior, it allows them to sidestep emotional situations that might make them feel uncomfortable. But sometimes we turn these same ideas on ourselves, internalizing these toxic ideas when we feel difficult emotions. We then discount, dismiss, and deny them. It prevents growth. It allows us to avoid feeling things that might be painful, but it also denies us the ability to face challenges, feeling that can ultimately leads to growth and deeper insight. Signs of toxic positivity includes brushing off problems rather than facing them, feeling guilty about being sad, angry, and disappointed, hiding your true feelings behind feel good quotes that seems more socially acceptable, hiding or disguising how you really feel, minimizing other people's feeling because they makes you uncomfortable, shaming other people when they don't have a positive attitude, trying to be a stoic or get over painful emotions. How to avoid toxic positivity? If you have been affected by toxic positivity, or if you recognize this kind of behavior in yourself, there are things that you can do to develop a healthier, more supportive approach. Some ideas includes manage your negative emotions but don't deny them. Negative emotions can cause stress when unchecked, but they can also provide important information that can lead to beneficial changes in your life. Be realistic about what you should feel. When you are facing a stressful situation, it is normal to feel stressed, worried, or even fearful. Don't expect too much from yourself. Focus on self care and taking steps that can help to improve your situation. It's okay to feel more than one thing. If you are facing a challenges, it is possible to feel nervous about the future and also hopeful that you will succeed. Your emotions are as complex as the situation itself. Focus on listening to others and showing support. When someone expresses a difficult emotion, don't shut them down with toxic platitudes. Instead, let them know that what they are feeling is normal and that you are there to listen. Notice how you feel. Following positive social media accounts can sometimes serve as a source of inspiration, but pay attention to how you feel after you view and interact with such contents. If you are left with a sense of shame or guilt after seeing uplifting post, it might be due to toxic positivity. In such cases, consider limiting your social media consumption. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. If you like the contents of the video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.